Alright, so let's have a look at the benefits, right? Because ultimately what we're looking to do is we're looking to consistently exceed our customers' expectations, because when you wow your customers, you exceed their expectations on every level, integrating into their business becomes so much simpler, because it becomes easier for you to identify and find opportunities to become an additional resource. And it also allows you or supports you to develop trust at 10 out of 10, because you'll never be allowed to integrate into your customer's business. You'll never be allowed to become an additional resource until you can build trust at 10 out of 10. Alright, so let's have a look at the benefit of focusing your energy on ensuring that your current customers' needs are completely met, right? So this is about wowing your customers. This is about creating an unforgettable customer experience. When you do this, right, obviously integrating into your customers' businesses becomes simpler. Building trust becomes really simple. But the added benefits are you'll never lose one of your customers, right? If you create an unforgettable customer experience and you consistently look for ways to wow your customers, why would they ever leave? So you're protecting your existing business. The next thing is your customers become raving fans because their needs are completely satisfied, because you've integrated into their business, because you've become that additional resource, because you've formed a long-term mutually beneficial partnership with them, and you consistently blow their mind by wowing them on every level. Your customers become raving fans. Now, raving fans are willing to refer you to other people. Raving fans are willing to edify you. In other words, pick up the phone while you're sitting in the office, tell a future customer how amazing you and your product and service are, that you literally arrive at the customer, you hand them an order form, and they place an order with you. So you definitely want to support your customers to become raving fans. Obviously, once they're raving fans, like I said, they'll give you referrals. Now remember, with referrals, you need to have a referral strategy, right? So a referral strategy does the following. If you, or let me give you what the research shows, right? If you do an amazing job, so you wow your customers and you just rely on word of mouth, what happens is with word of mouth, you've got a 1 in 17 chance that someone will refer you. 100 customers means you've got about 5 additional customers. But listen to what happens when you get a referral strategy, right? A referral strategy says you actually ask for referrals. So you do an amazing job, you wow your customers, and then after that, you ask for a referral. You say something along the lines of, do you know anybody else who is looking for a widget like ours, who would love to enjoy the kind of service that you've just enjoyed from me? And once you do that, the opportunity goes 3 out of 5 people will offer you a referral. Those same 100 customers, 66 extra customers. So if you just sit around waiting for referrals or waiting for people to refer you, you'll get 5 out of 100. But if you have a referral strategy where you actively seek referrals, you'll get 66 additional customers out of every 100. Definitely worth the effort, right? The next thing is they won't just give you referrals, but these customers that you've amazed will also record testimonials, video record testimonials for you. Now, think about the power of the trust transference that comes from a recorded testimonial. So you basically take a very satisfied customer and you take him to other meetings with prospects where that trust transference comes into the meeting, and that person gets to see, or should I rather say, their risk or their feeling of risk reduces significantly, and they become far more willing to do business with you. What that effectively means, when you consistently wow your customers, when you consistently look for ways to create that amazing customer experience, yes, you get referrals, yes, you get edification, yes, you get recorded testimonials. What I like to say is when you do an amazing job, your customers actually become additional salespeople for you. Isn't that something you want?